Welcome Blue Star School students. Today we are going to see about chapter number 12. Chapter name is Ratio and Proportion in 6th Maths NCERT book. Last video we saw exercise number 12.2. Now today we are going to see about exercise number 12.3. Take exercise number 12.3. Take down the first sum. If the cost of 7 meter of cloth is rupees 294. Find the cost of 5 meter of cloth. This is our question. If the cost of 7 meter of cloth is rupees 294, find the cost of 5 meter of the cloth. Okay, here what is the given? Here given is cost of 7 meter of cloth is rupees 294. We have to find the sum cost of the 5 meter of cloth. Okay, before that we have to find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Let's see. What is the given part here? Cost of 7 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 294. Then we have to calculate the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Because it is easy to find the cost of the 5 meter of cloth. Okay. So, rupees 294 divided by how many meter? 7 meter. So, we have to divide 294 divided by 4. So, we have to cancel in 7 table 42 1 times. So, rupees 42. So, the cost of 1 meter of cloth is rupees 42. Then we have to find the cost of 5 meter of cloth. So, therefore, cost of 5 meter of cloth is equal to the cost of 1 meter of cloth is 42 rupees 42. 5 meter of cloth means we have to multiply 5. So, rupees we have to multiply these two numbers 42 and 5, we get 210. Okay. Hence, therefore, the cost of 5 meter of cloth is rupees 210. That is 210. Okay, next we have to move the next sum. Let me take the 7th question. Question number 7. Cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 60. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50. Okay. Cost of 4 dozen banana is rupees 60. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50? This is our question. Here what is given? Here given is cost of 4 dozen banana is rupees 60. So in this sum we have to find how many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50. So first we have to rewrite the given part. Given part of this sum is cost of 4 dozen. 4 dozen means 4 dozens banana equal to rupees 60. Already we know 1 dozen equal to 12. So 1 dozen banana equal to 12 bananas. Okay. So here 4 dozen. 4 dozen means 4 into 12, that is 48 bananas. So the cost of 48 bananas is rupees 60. The cost of 48 bananas equal to rupees 60. Write in bracket 1 dozen equal to 12. So 4 dozen means 12 into 4 equal to 48. You can write in bracket so from rupees 60 number of bananas can be purchased 48. So we have to find from rupees 12.50 number of banana can be purchased. Okay. So before that we have to find rupees 1 the number of bananas can be purchased. So we have to write from rupee 1 the number of bananas can be purchased equal to from rupees 60 number of bananas can be purchased how many? 48 bananas. So from rupees 1 means 48 divided by 60. We have to cancel in. Cancel in 12 table. 4 12s are 48. 5 12s are 60. So 4 by 5. Next we find from rupees 12.50 the number of bananas can be purchased equal to 4/5, because from rupees 1 the number of banana can be purchased equal to 4/5. We have to calculate 4/5 into 12.50. Then in second term we have to multiply and divide by 100, because it eliminates the point, decimal point. Then we have to cancel the two number, 0 0 cancel in 5 table, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 25, 5 5s are 25. Next we have to cancel in 2 table, 5 table, 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10. Next we have to cancel in 2 table, 2 2s are 4. So here we have in this term 2/1, here 5/1. It is nothing but 2 5s are 10. Okay. So this is our answer. From rupees 12.50 the number of banana can be purchased is 10. Okay, 10 bananas purchased. So we can write 10 bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50. This is our answer. Next we have to take question number 11. Anish made 42 runs in 6 overs and Anup made 63 runs in 7 overs. Who made more runs per over? Anish made 42 runs in 6 overs and Anup made 63 runs in 7 overs. Who made more runs per over? Okay. So here what is given? Runs made by Anish is 6 over equal to 42 and runs made by Anup is 7 overs equal to how many runs? 63 runs. So first we have to find run made by Anish and Anup in 1 over. Then only we have to find who made more runs per over. Okay. So here given runs made by Anish in 6 overs equal to how many runs? 42 runs. Okay. So first we have to find that runs made by Anish in 1 over. So runs made by Anish in 1 over equal to So we have to divide 42 by 6. We have to cancel in 6 table. 6 sevens are 42. Same process we can follow by Anup. So Anup made by runs in 7 over equal to 63 runs. We have to find 1 overs. So runs made by Anup in 1 over. In 1 over is equal to, that is 63 divided by 7. 9 3s are 9 7s are 63. So we have to compare these two numbers. Who made more runs per hour? Here Anup made more runs per over compared than Anish. Okay, so therefore we can write, therefore Anup made more run per over. This is our answer. This exercise is over. So in this exercise 12.3 you have one homework sum, that is question number 2. Question number 2. That is first sum model. Okay. Okay, thank you students.